V Express, safe and reliable for your peace of mind, presents Engineering Goods Logistics. Let's see the growth story of engineering goods industry. Engineering sector has a market size of rupees 3,11,515 crore and is growing at a CAGR of 14%. The Global Sourcing Hub. Large number of domestic and global players. With most firms getting focused on becoming globally competitive, India has the potential and the ability to become a major global sourcing hub in the engineering sector. As an industry insider, you are well aware about the challenges and opportunities that the industry faces today. Logistics is an important element as it becomes a greater percentage of your overall Now let's visit some of pain points you face in engineering goods logistics. Key pain point 1. Efficiently reaching out to the ever-expanding distribution network. Manufacturing units are generally located in remote areas. These goods have to be shifted to service locations which are scattered across the country. Hence, need a partner who has extensive coverage and reach. Key pain point 2. Damages due to improper handling. Heavy equipment needs proper handling. Logistics partners should be equipped with the latest material handling equipment and should have trained staff who can handle heavy consignment with no damages. If the consignment is not handled properly, it can result in the entire equipment becoming redundant or non-usable. Key pain point 3. Timely delivery. Engineering goods are often important components which are used for further production processes. The entire production comes to a standstill if these goods don't reach on time. Key pain point 4. Cost effectiveness. Logistics has a direct impact on profit margins. Since business is highly competitive today, So, what is the need of the hour? A right solution for your engineering goods logistics pain points. A logistics partner with extensive understanding of serving hundreds of clients in engineering goods industry. V Express, safe and reliable for your peace of mind, focuses on engineering goods industry pain points to provide safe and reliable logistics services to you, so that you experience peace of mind. So, why is V Express the preferred logistics partner? Let's hear it from your industry peers.
See, this Coroshield fasteners, last 15 years we are there in this market, and nowadays we are giving all the major PEBs on this industry, and we are serving throughout India. V Express, we are using nearly 60 to 70% of our transportation. In that we are getting good service, and the price wise they are flexible with us, and whenever we want a special service they are ready to cooperate and they are ready to give us. The price and other extra charges which we don't want to pay, that they are ready to accept. So this is why we are happy with them. And service centers, they are having more service locations when you compare to other local transporter. Sometimes when we need in a godown delivery, they are ready to accept, and more than expected day, one day earlier they are ready to give. Yes, see, monthly out of our overall logistics maybe 50 tons, in that 30 tons we logistics is going to take, out of which we are getting 10 to 15% profit compared to other transportation, not even the service but financially. So overall the team, I can appreciate they are coming on time and taking the material and deliver the material. Whenever we are getting problems, the people are there to ask the questions and they can solve the problem.
V Express is a pan-India logistics service provider, delivering to 4,500 plus locations, covering 24 states and 3 union territories, 20 hubs in India, 700 plus trained professionals to provide you with safe and reliable services. Our commitment of on-time delivery, established set of performance indicators from pickup to delivery, which is up to 90% depicting on-time delivery, hence reliable.
Optics India Equipment is basically in the business of importing and distribution of optical as well as ophthalmic instruments. My experience with V Express is definitely economical. We are working also with Blue Dart, but compared to Blue Dart, V Express is definitely economical, and if you compare with the charges, the service and everything is really good from V Express. By associating with V Express, if we compare with other logistic companies, it saves around 20-25% of my transportation costs. The staff over here, they have managed to deliver it in time, because sometimes it happens that early in the morning also they have delivered 7 o'clock and 11 o'clock is our customers' opening time. So definitely it's very good positive point from V Express. Even in the period of recession also, our business has grown by 25%. So obviously V Express business will also grow along with us. We wish V Express can get a very good step ahead, and they should be famous as Blue Dart.
Cost saving. Our clients have gained in terms of cost savings on their logistics cost. By associating with V Express, if we compare with other logistics companies, it saves around 20-25% of my transportation cost. Extra safe handling to prevent damages, 0.2% overall in 2013-14 as compared to industry standards of 0.5%. Cargo movement is through weatherproof containerized vehicles, so you get safe and reliable delivery.
Cadmac Machinery is the leading company in supplying the pharma machineries. We are having more than 10,000 customers all over the world since 40 years. Until and unless logistics happens, the material cannot be delivered, either delivered or received. So I think V Express has done a very good job. They are serving us since last 3 years. One of the good example was the customer who is sitting at Bangalore, which was our very much valued customer. V Express, I requested to Sunil Rajniwal, who is in touch with us from V Express. So very next day, I think he has delivered the consignment, and the customer is very much happy, and I appreciated the service. V Express I can define which is much better than the others, which is the leading company in the logistics. I can express in terms of their service. They are giving best service rather than the Gati and other which is TCI Express. So whatever the delivery locations they have defined, they are delivering just in time. That is the best advantage of V Express. That V Express is very much good in the rates. So as far as the percentage are concerned, I must define about 10% we saved in transportation rather than others. I can define the whole team of V Express is very good in delivering the services. In terms of their receiving the calls, giving the prompt response, and delivering the things and implementation. We wish very good luck to V Express for achieving their goals and rendering the good services to the customers. We at Cadmac look forward for their better services for years to come. Thank you.
Online track and trace enables you to track the progress of your consignment. Get reliable information at all times.
Optilab manufactures edging machines, basically hand edgers and other tools which are required by an optician at his workshop and also by an optician at the dispensing area. We are associated with V-Express, I think roughly 8 to 10 years back. We have a presence all over India and we require help of such freight forwarding companies who will help us to deliver our machines to our dealers or to other opticians or our customers basically. So V-Express benefited us in I think 2 to 3 ways. They have economical rates, which is very crucial to especially a firm like Optilab, because we have to constantly fight on the price basis. So it helped us in that front. Because of V-Express's economical rates, I think we might have saved I don't know, maybe 25 to 20% on our transportation costs, which happens to be a huge figure when we take the overall data. One thing which clearly makes V-Express different from the other freight forward like FedEx or Blue Dart, because we also take their help also, is that their customer relationship management or the system that is in place, they are, it is easy to communicate to them. Our association with V-Express is nearly of 8 to 10 years, and I hope that this relationship matures and continues for years to come. We are satisfied with the services, especially the freight forwarding services that V-Express provides, and they have done a fantastic job in attaining to our needs and our problems.
Get the best customer service. Dedicated call center for each zone. Dedicated relationship manager for corporate and major clients. For general inquiry, toll-free number 1-800-220-240. Because of our safe and reliable service, more than 100 engineering companies have been trusting us. V-Express Multimodal Services. You choose the most efficient combination of transport modes, keeping your costs in control. Our infrastructure. India's most advanced 24/7 centralized control room with vehicle tracking system and hub monitoring system. V-Express gives you more. DACC, delivery against consignee copy. Check or cash on delivery. Draft on delivery. Risk coverage through marine insurance policy. Centralized and customized billing facility. Multi-location services. Daily customer MIS. Time-bound door-to-door services. ISO 9001-2008 certified. 24/7 operations. Take your first step now for establishing your long-lasting relationship with V-Express and get safe and reliable service for your peace of mind. V-Express, safe and reliable for your peace of mind.